Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. In a major relief to the Punjab DGP Gaurav Yadav, the Central Administrative Tribunal has today rejected the petition filed by senior state IPS officer and former DGP V.K. Bhawra against his appointment to the post of DGP. While the detailed order in this regard will be out soon, the conflict started back in October 2023 with Punjab's senior IPS officer V.K. Bhawra challenging the appointment of Gaurav Yadav as Director General of Punjab Police before Chandigarh bench of Central Administrative Tribunal, Chandigarh. In application, Bhawra said that he is a 1987 batch IPS officer. He has unblemished service records of more than 35 years and is one of few officers in the entire state who has completely clean service record. His name has been recommended twice in the years of 2020 and 2022 in the panel of 3 officers for head of police force by the Union Public Service Commission, the UPSC. The Supreme Court of India vide its judgment and order dated September 22, 2006 in Prakash Singh and others versus Union of India and other case laid down procedure regarding the appointment of DGPs in various states across the country. The judgment was not only not being followed or implemented in the letter and spirit by the different state governments. The Apex Court-wide order dated July 2018 issued directions to all the state governments to send their proposals in anticipation of vacancies to the Union Public Commission well within the time of at least 3 months prior to the date of retirement of incumbent on the post of Director General of Police. The Union Public Service Commission shall prepare a panel as per the directions contained in the judgment in Prakash Singh's case and intimate to the respective states. The state government moved an application in Prakash Singh's case praying that the state can be permitted to appoint its DGP in view of the amendment in the Act and can be exempted from the order dated July 30, 2018. At the same time, since the proceedings in Prakash Singh's case were pending before the Supreme Court, an extension was granted to the previous Punjab DGP who was holding the post, and by such time tenure was expiring on December 31, 2018. The Apex Court in January 2019, notwithstanding the amendment as done by the state of Punjab in Section 6 of the Punjab Police Act, dismissed the application filed by the state of Punjab praying for the appointment of their DGP without fulfilling the conditions enumerated in Prakash Singh's case. Later, he was appointed as the DGP for minimum period of 2 years. When the new incumbent state government, that is of Aam Aadmi Party, elections took the charge, the applicant was pressurized to relinquish charge of the post of DGP, and it was perceived that he was appointee of previous government. But the same is absolutely baseless. As such, he was employed in pursuance to valid process conducted none other than the UPSC. In fact, immediately on taking over the charge, he was being asked to partake in various illegal acts which included but were not limited to register to cases against various public figures, granting of security of the contingent of Punjab Police outside the state to various dignitaries, and various other coercive measures were taken under his posting. Under these circumstances, as mentioned here and above, and the respondents were constantly putting pressure on the applicant and threatening disciplinary action. He requested for leave for a period of 60 days in month of July 2022, almost 6 months after taking the charge of DGP Punjab. When he left for the sanctioned leave, respondent number 4, Gaurav Yadav, was given additional charge of the post of DGP in addition to his duties during the leave period of the applicant. He said the on leave of the applicant was going to expire on September 2, 2022 and he was scheduled to join back on September 5, that is on 2022 year. However, shockingly on September 2, on the date when the leave was to expire in a completely illegal manner in total contravention to the provisions of the Punjab Police Act 2007, as well as by the directions given by the Supreme Court in Prakash Singh Badal and other respondents, passed an order dated September 2 whereby the applicant was transferred from the present post as DGP to that of Chairman of Punjab Police Housing Corporation in Mohali. Bhawra said that order dated September 2 cannot be sustained in the eyes of law as the same is completely illegal order being passed in the contravention of the provisions of the Punjab Police Act. He prayed before the tribunal to reinstate him as DGP, keeping in view of recommendation of the UPSC and the order dated January 8, 2022, appointing him as the DGP for minimum period of 2 years and further restraining the respondents from appointing or giving additional charge of the post of DGP to any other officer till such time he completes actual 2 years of the service. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.